I never said I was a nice guy.
Mamma mia!
The next words are yes, sir.
Oh, mamma mia! Tutto pare motore gravato.
I think my brain just committed suicide.
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer.
Huh?
I'm sorry I ever started this stupid fan club in the first place! I'm gonna get rid of all my SpongeBob stuff! All of it! All of it! All of it! I'm gonna run away! That's what I'll do! Run away! Sheesh, what a hothead!
Are you sure you know how to do it?
Relax.
You worry too much. You haven't lit it anyway, you idiot.
I'm getting excited. This is an internet video I haven't seen.
Hey, Stinky! I will now perform my people's native dance.
Gotta make a name for myself, yeah.
You're so gross.
Damn it!
I am a man.
Mario.
No!
Excuse me for 1 second.
Hey! Yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah!
Yes. Oh, yes.
Well, that's kind of a broad statement.
I'm 26.
And,
I'm as healthy as a horse.
Sit on you, right on your lap.
You son of a bitch!
Where is it?
You know what?
What?
No! 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 Stay back!
Wait, where'd you get that piano?
Next spring it'll be worse.
Come on in.
It's all yours.
God, how many times do I have to say it? I don't care who you date. We broke up. Ask out any girl you want. See, I said you should have just asked out Meredith.
It's the Legend of Zelda, and it's really rad. Those creatures from Ganon are pretty bad. Octoroks, Tektites, Levers too. With your help, our hero will through. Yeah, we're totally.
I mean, it's alright, like, overrated.
Hold on!
Nothing got wrinkled.
I'm going to die.
Warning, Falco Maxime, incoming.
mean, nuke. A nuke?
Oh, yeah!
You stupid bitch.
Yeah, I don't have it, sorry. Oh, well, alright then. That's good, OJ.
You drank 70 cups of coffee. The amount of caffeine could easily kill you.
Don't be such a baby.
Just do it!
I don't care!
Oh, hell no!
Morning. Good day to you, sir. Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
Now I gotta pull up. Everybody dying, me included. I ain't going to jail.
Oh, no. It was just a goof. It was just for laughs, you know? Just, why aren't you laughing?
So you have chosen death.
Let go of the remote! Let go of the goddamn remote!
What the heck is that?
It's a fucking masterpiece! It's a masterpiece! Pop this shit!
Excuse me, what the actual f*** are you doing in my house?
Who's there?
Teddy Bear! Tell me your secret!
My main goal is to blow up.
How about I sit here until you fall asleep?
Louie, listen, this is crazy. You got— oh my god!
I thought I told you to stay outside. Fine.
You think this is funny? Do you want me to laugh to it, huh?
Hey!
Get over here!
What's your emergency?
Do it.
Fine.
Don't text me at all.
We're no strangers to love. You know.
I'm here to announce
You're going to Brazil.
I don't know what to do. What a dick.
Oh, you stupid bitch.
21.
You do math like a bitch.
Effective way to defend yourself.
Wait! Yeah! Oh my god! Yeah!
Now here.
Wait, what the hell is that? What?
Hey, Wendy! Get your
Is a boob who knows how to do his job.
How hard could it be to roll up some raw food and seaweed, right? As it turns out, it's hard. Now, they say...
Tell me, you have found the fugitive?
Yes.
Dude, don't those look tasty? Yes, they do.
Joyful exclamation!
Hi everyone, I'm Shigeru Miyamoto.
Hang on a second.
I don't know what to mind. I'll mind this anyway.
We Can't expect God to do all the work.
Well, there is a tiny problem.
Huh?
Your ass is ass and on the grass, man. If you think...
Before I got the password, I erased him.